Happy morning, children. From our today's session, we are going to start our book exercise. Previous sessions also we have learned somewhat related to our book exercise only. Okay, children, in today's session, I will discuss about freehand drawing. Hope you all are having book, right? So take page number 5 in your art and craft book, and then you start doing the freehand drawing. First, let's discuss about freehand drawing. In the beginning itself, we learnt about freehand drawing, right? Freehand drawing is nothing but drawing with your hand without using tools or aids like scales, rulers, templates, stencils, or tracing. So, in your book, it is given a freehand drawing is done by hand without using tools or aids like templates, stencils, or tracing. So create freehand drawings in the boxes below. Color them using bright colors. So there are two boxes given. In the two boxes you are going to create freehand drawings. It may be any drawing. Okay? But without using any tool. Only using a pencil. Okay, children? Okay, here I'll show you one video. So in this video, a simple freehand design is given. Even you can draw a picture or design whatever you want, you can do with a pencil. Okay, let's watch this video. Okay, so this is a freehand design video. In this video, we are drawing a simple design. It may be a mehendi design also. It can be mehendi design also. So first we have to draw a leaf like this, and then inside there is a curve, right? So from that you have to draw the strokes with a dark. Okay, you have to make it dark from inside, and then you draw a petals above that leaf like this, and then make the inside dark like this. Okay, for all the petals. You can use any type of pencils for drawing this freehand design. Okay, again from the petals, from the middle of that petal, on the top of the middle petal, you can draw another leaf like this, and then you draw the strokes inside, make it dark little so that it will look like real leaf. And then again the side of the leaf, again you are going to draw 3 more petals. So from the inside you are drawing the strokes. So just make it dark. The strokes should be dark. Okay, so that it will look like a real flower and leaf. Okay, children. And then one more leaf above that petals. So like that you can draw. Okay, so from left to right like that, if you draw, no, it will look very nice. Okay, so in this leaf, not from inside, from outside we are going to make it dark, so that this leaf will look like different compared to the other leaf. Okay, children, and then one more big leaf we are drawing. At the side of that, uh, 3 more petals have been drawn, and the middle part you just make it more dark. Again one more leaf. Okay, in this leaf also from the outside we are making it dark so that the leaves will be different. Are you able to see the difference between this leaf and this leaf? This leaf from inside we are making it dark, and this leaf from outside we are making it dark. Okay, and this is the end of the video. That one more big leaf at the top, with the curved edges. Okay, children. It is not a narrow leaf, it's a curved. Okay, and then the book exercise. So what is given? As I told you, you have to draw freehand drawings in the boxes below. Okay, and color them using bright colors. So you draw with a pencil and make it colorful using different dark colors. And also try in a code box one is given copying a design on a cardboard, cut it out and use it as a coaster. Okay, even you can draw a design in a cardboard also, then you cut it out and use it as a coaster. You should know what is a coaster, right? So coasters protect the surface of a table or any other surface where the user might place a drink. Okay, so coasters placed on the top of a beverage can also be used to show that a drink is not finished or to prevent contamination. So it is like a closer. Okay, so coaster which is used to close a beverages or a drink. Okay, let's go to the next slide. I'll show you. So this is a coaster which is used to prevent the surface, also used to close the top of the cup. So in this coaster also you can draw your design. Just you draw your design in a cardboard, cut it out and paste it in a coaster, and then you can use. Okay, so here some simple freehand drawings are given. Step 1, stepwise it is given. Even you can try this also. Two boxes given, you have to draw two drawings and then send me the pic of that. Okay, take a picture of that page number 5 once you finish drawing and then you send me. So this is the second picture. The step by step is given. Eye and then eyebrows. Okay, eyelashes, eyebrows, and then the face, outline of the face, nose, mouth, and then the hair. Okay, dressing and then shoes. So stepwise it is given. This lever is also freehand drawing stepwise given, and here some designs are given. These are the freehand pictures. Designs, two designs are given here. You can draw any one of this, and even you can try this also. Okay, once you finish drawing this, you can make it colorful with a bright colors. Thank you, children. Please do it. Create two freehand drawing in the boxes given page number 5 and then send me the pic of that. Thank you all.